Welcome back to the Camp Nou Vision, and in today's video, once again, we're inside the stadium for a full construction update. Progress is happening across multiple zones at the same time, from interior finishing and glass installations to major structural advances on the compression ring and upper tiers. In this video, we'll go step by step through all the key developments and show how the stadium is rapidly evolving right now. Stay with me because there's a lot happening on site today. Interior work is progressing well, especially in the VIP areas. Glass panels are mostly installed, and some sections have started receiving doors, showing movement toward finishing stages. Aluminum framing and partition structures are in place, with early drywall and insulation work already started. Mechanical systems like ventilation are also being integrated, while ceiling preparation is underway for final finishing. The third-tier structure is largely complete, with only a few sections still pending. Concrete guide walls are being added to support internal areas like restrooms and service spaces. Work continues on slab connections and structural linking between levels. But overall, the main structure is already well defined, with finishing work still remaining. The compression ring continues to advance steadily as one of the most critical structural elements of the stadium. Over 20 segments have already been installed out of the total 124, with each requiring precise lifting, rotation, and alignment using cranes. Recent progress includes additional support structures, placement of radial beams of different sizes, and new pillar installation, all contributing to the expanding form of the ring. Its non-uniform geometry, which expands and contracts across different sections, explains the variation in beam sizes and positioning. In the upper levels, workers are actively extending protective safety nets. These nets are being installed along the edges to secure working zones at height. The expansion of these barriers indicates that more work will soon take place in these upper structural areas, ensuring safety before further assembly continues. At the lower level, teams are working with lifting platforms, focusing on structural supports beneath the slab. These supports appear to be prepared for safety net installations or additional frontal structural elements. While some workers are momentarily paused, the setup suggests ongoing preparation work for protective systems and structural reinforcement. In the second cantilever zone, there is visible activity involving hydraulic systems and structural adjustments. Workers are inspecting and operating pistons, ensuring alignment and stability of the cantilever elements. Although movement here is controlled and methodical, it remains a key area of structural fine-tuning. On the first cantilever level, painting work is clearly underway. Workers are applying coatings to steel beams, covering bolts and joints. This process is essential for both protection and finishing, indicating that some structural components in this area are nearing completion stages. Inside the structure, drywall installations are becoming visible, marking progress in interior finishing. At the same time, workers are installing suspended supports for piping systems. These supports will hold the black utility pipes that run along the underside of the cantilever sections. This shows coordinated progress between structural and mechanical installations. In the mid-lateral section, work continues steadily on the main structural frame. Elevated platforms are active at multiple points where workers are carrying out beam assembly and support installation. The zone remains highly active with consistent preparation and alignment work, although no major new installations have been completed recently. Overall, this area is progressing smoothly toward upcoming structural phases. At the lateral corners, façade preparation has now reached an advanced stage. Alignment guides have been fully removed, confirming that all anchor points are correctly set. This indicates the area is now ready for lamella installation. Workers are performing final inspections and adjustments, and the section is clearly prepared for the next installation phase. In the adjacent structure, beam installation has progressed noticeably. Several new beams are now in place, improving overall structural coverage. Cranes continue lifting and positioning elements while materials are being delivered consistently. This area is steadily catching up and becoming more defined in its structural form. At the north goal corner, key preparatory works are progressing smoothly. All previously exposed anchor bolts have now been fully painted, marking an important milestone in the finishing process of this section. Alongside this, a new radial beam is being positioned, which supports the ongoing expansion of the compression ring structure. This area is now transitioning from preparation into installation readiness, with both structural and finishing works moving forward together. In the upper structural zone, multiple vertical columns are at different stages of construction. One column has already been fully concreted, while another is still undergoing formwork adjustments and preparation for further concrete work. Workers are actively managing molds, supports, and alignment to ensure structural accuracy. Tower cranes remain in continuous operation, supporting material movement across elevated levels. This zone clearly reflects steady vertical construction progress. In the central north goal area, mechanical and anchoring works are actively ongoing. Workers are operating on elevated platforms, focusing on detailed structural components and beam-level finishing tasks. Surface preparation is also visible, likely intended for reinforcement or coating in later phases. This indicates that enclosure work is steadily progressing across this zone. At the north goal corner near the Tribune side, installation of vertical support structures is progressing. Several supports are now in place, but connecting elements between them have not yet been installed. Workers are continuously adjusting alignment and carrying out precision fitting work. Some cutting and modification activities are also visible, showing that fine-tuning of structural elements is still ongoing. This section remains in a transitional stage, moving toward full structural integration. In the Tribune zone, multiple construction activities are ongoing across different levels. Elevated platforms are working on beam detailing, surface preparation, and structural adjustments. Workers are refining and cleaning beam surfaces, preparing them for painting and finishing works. Internal installation tasks are also in progress, with teams moving between different areas. Although façade connections are not yet installed, preparation work remains highly active, clearly showing steady progress toward the next stage. In the commercial diamond zone, structural framing continues steadily. Metal components are being installed around the glass façade with precise alignment work. The structure is gradually taking shape with consistent detailing and assembly, moving closer to completion. In the final corner section, interior construction and safety works are actively progressing. Safety netting has been installed across multiple levels to improve site safety and working conditions. Workers are also engaged in internal beam treatment, surface preparation, and structural finishing tasks. Elevated platforms remain active throughout this area, supporting ongoing finishing operations and refinement work. Overall, construction across the stadium continues at a steady and coordinated pace. The compression ring is gradually expanding, with multiple segments already installed and more progressing step by step. Across different zones, structural framing, beam installation, and façade preparation are moving forward in parallel. Several key areas are now reaching advanced stages, especially where lamella installation is being prepared. In summary, the project shows consistent progress across all main sections, with each area steadily moving toward its next construction milestone.